Imagine your brain as the world's most sophisticated biological supercomputer, capable of processing distinct inputs faster than any silicon chip. When you study for a calculus exam or learn a new guitar riff, you are engaging in a complex electrochemical process called memory consolidation. It begins in the hippocampus, which acts like your brain's RAM or temporary loading dock. Here, sensory inputs are encoded into electrical patterns. However, for these memories to stick, they must move to the neocortex, the hard drive, for long-term storage. This transfer happens physically through synaptic plasticity, specifically a mechanism known as long-term potentiation, LTP. Visualize this. Imagine an animation of a dark 3D brain model. Suddenly, a spark of electric blue lightning ignites in the center, the hippocampus, representing a new thought. As you repeat the thought, this lightning shoots outward, branching into the wrinkled outer layer, neocortex, turning faint lines into thick, glowing superhighways of light. This visual represents Hebbian Theory, neurons that fire together, wire together. Here is where the mathematics becomes fascinating. We can map memory using graph theory. Treat your 86 billion neurons as nodes, $v$, and the trillions of synaptic connections as edges, $e$. A specific memory is not a single cell but a unique subgraph or topology within this network. The strength of a memory is mathematically represented as a synaptic weight, $w$. When you review your notes, you are applying an algorithm that increases the weight of specific edges, $w$, minimizing the error function of forgetting. This is exactly how engineers designed artificial neural networks and deep learning AI. Real-life application: think of learning to ride a bike. First, the signal is weak, low weight, and you wobble. But as you practice, the brain calculates the error between your balance and gravity, adjusting the synaptic weights in your motor cortex. Eventually, the math balances out, the pathway becomes a high-speed connection, and you ride without thinking. You aren't just remembering, you are mathematically optimizing your neural architecture. This means you have the power to physically engineer your own intelligence through persistence. You are the architect of your own mind.